Oh, look at all this. This is brilliant. Are you closing that gap, you tosser? Why do people do that? I'm not causing you any problems at all. You're basically at a standstill. I'm filtering through. Why close the gap? I get you don't want to be sat in traffic, but neither do I. Unlike you, I'm on a bike, so I can just filter through the middle. I don't like this gap. Thank you. Slow down for this. This is ace. I've never got to filter on the motorway before. I only really filter through sort of rush hour traffic. I've never had like such an open stretch to be able to filter through. This is brilliant. The only issue is if there's some tight gap, they're actually nose to tail, so it's going to be difficult for people to move out the way from it if they're so inclined to. This is brilliant. I'm loving this. All these peasants sat in traffic, and I just get to filter on through. This is ace. This might be the best day of my life. Oh, there's someone out of the car there, so they must have been sat here a while. And another person getting out there, so I should probably slow down. Because there's going to be people walking around. I hope to God someone doesn't step out in front of me. Like them, with the door open, give them a little rev, let them know I'm coming. I'd love to know how long this is. Oh, we're there. We are at the front. I think I can see the end of it. I hope we're not sat here too long. I know it's all fun and games that I've got to filter to the front, but if I'm sat here for the next 3 hours, then that ain't going to be very fun. I've got places to be. He just did a 2-minute sign, so hopefully only a couple more minutes. Bored.
Once we're back on the hard shoulder, you're free to go. It is 40.
No problem. And off we go. Well, that was fun. I guess they're not taking heed of the 40 sign, so he even made a point of saying it's a 40, but all these seem to be just absolutely flying past. After that eventful session of filtering and waiting at the front of the queue, I was only actually waiting for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, it wasn't too bad. Yeah, so today I'm going to go see my friend. She's from Booktop, she's an author, she writes spicy books. Definitely give them a read if that's the sort of thing you're into. She told me that she fancied a ride on a bike, and who am I to say no? So we're going to go pick her up now, go for a little ride. I think we're going to a castle. Yeah, I'll pick it up when we get there, unless anything else interesting happens. We'll pick her up and go for a little ride. Enjoy. I thought they were coming for me then, oh no. I thought they saw me doing little weaves and they were going to come and get me. But they didn't in the end. Thank God for that. Look at this little killer. Don't nod back at me then. It's fine. My feelings definitely aren't hurt. See, they nodded back. Oh, well, I waved, but they nodded back. It's not that difficult. Just be nice, please. I'm sensitive. Do you remember the rules? Don't lean opposite to what I lean, because if I lean that way and you lean that way, we go straight. She's a very good passenger. She's not fidgeting. She's just sitting there, not killing me with a death grip. This is great. She could be my passenger again. Bitch. I've got a hip cramp. She said wee. Ooh, these are some fancy houses. Look at that. These houses are incredible. Oh, we're here. I don't like this parking spot. I might go over there. I was commentating on the motorway, I was talking about things I was seeing. My chin needs tensioning. Look it.
I was promised sunshine.
You were lied to. You should write an email.
I will do.
To the weatherman. Was it BBC Weather that you listened to? That's your problem.
Do you better at weather?
Yes. Bye bike. I can't even remember what size it is, but look, football, just shove it inside the helmet. Pump it up. I did it, and I've not died yet. It's a bit windy.
Does your helmet whistle?
It is at the moment. But it doesn't like whistle unless I take this off.
Something in mine is whistling.
Whistling?
Whistling.
Interesting. You might have a vent open because you've got a vent here.
Do I?
Yeah.
I was like, my voice is done. What's going on?
Yeah, because that's just blowing air onto your face.
Crime scene tense.
Somebody's been murdered. There are flowers on that bench.
Did you see that series of photos on Instagram of weird bench dedications?
Yeah.
Mary who shouted at seagulls.
You know a bench with a better view?
Favourite bench. Looks out to the sea.
Ooh, in Cornwall.
Yeah. And sometimes there's dolphins.
In Cornwall?
I did pull a bamboozle though, because there's the Marine Wildlife Centre, which is a tiny little shed, and they've got a whiteboard outside and people write down what they've seen on boat trips. And I went to the surf guys and I said, can I borrow a pen? And he was like, yeah, what for? And I was like, I just want to write some things. And he was like, don't do anything rude, because if the pen comes back to us, we'll get in trouble. So I wrote, like, 2 purple turtles, a sea squirrel, and something else, Port Quinn. And I went back the next day, and there was all these people. Purple turtle? What's a sea squirrel? Google, what's a sea squirrel? And I stood there watching like a cat. You've been bamboozled.
You bring the chaos once again.
It was great.
It does sound it, to be fair. Should we go and scare them? Ah! I didn't realise it went down there as well. What's that?
It's a hole.
Well.
Well.
I can't see down it.
Ooh.
I want to know how deep it is. Oh, I can just about see the bottom. That would be a bad day if you fell down there.
It would, wouldn't it?
Get a height.
No.
Cool. I don't mind them. I don't go out of my way to go and climb up high places. Like those nutcases that just go and climb cranes for no reason. Go on. Stop showing off. Do you think it was buried there, or do you think they actually put it in the well?
I'm going to go out on a limb.
Right there.
Right under.
Did you bring your shovel?
We can go back and get one.
That's so far. How will we carry a shovel on a bike?
That house might have one. They look like they're rich. They look like they've got a fridge in the garage.
Ooh, that's actually a really good identifier of someone being rich. I have a fridge in the garage and it's just full of alcohol.
Yeah.
And like soft drinks. Although if you put ice cream in the fridge, you belong under the prison. Let's go do some more intimidating. Is anybody home?
That's my house. I live here.
I always wondered where you lived.
On TV cribs, welcome to my crib.
It's a nice place. Is that the living room?
Yeah. I'm in that corner.
That explains the smell.
That's my friend Herbert.
Hey Herbert, where does he sleep? Ah, it's a nice room he's got.
Yeah. Reminds me of home.
Because it's his home. I don't think it's cool how like this was built thousands of years ago and it's better than anything I could ever build out of stone.
Yeah.
I'm not making it up that.
No?
Do you think you can?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you just made me look like a dick. Yeah. It's a very nice view. After you, my lady.
Oh, thank you.
This is really scary because I have literally zero ankle movement in these boots. So one wrong move and I'm dead.
What?
Hmm?
What did you say?
I said one wrong move and I'm dead.
That's not good.
Mm-mm. Woo! I can't do that in these boots. They're having a photo shoot. Another one having a photo shoot. Yeah, you're a very happy person. I like that. I like it when people are happy. I don't like miserable people. Miserable people make me miserable. Leather pants make it difficult to get on a bike. Now twist this bar straight. It suits you. What song are you listening to? Ooh!
I was listening to social distortion earlier, but now I'm got to sleep talking on. I'm a basic bitch.
That's such a nice house, both of those two. Oh! It's okay. Puppies! Look at the puppies! Winky car. What? What you laughing at?
She was oblivious.